Alright, so make sure you have rockets and plenty of ammo. Grab your bulky vehicle. A bulldog or mag will do fine. Then just go to the designated point. I'm going to spare you guys having to watch me, so I'm gonna cut it off right about now. Alright, and then once you get to the place, turn your car around and get it ready. Close enough. And then I kill the white guy because all he does is get in the way when you're trying to get whatever his name is into the thing. So kill the white guy. Alright, now he's out of the way. Up here you want to make sure you have full rockets. There's Johnny up there to help us. Hop on the ledge so you don't kill yourself trying to kill them. Here come the cars. So now I have to kill all these. Alright, now run as quick as you can. Try and get ahead of the cops. Get into your bulky vehicle. Or just take theirs. I'm going to take theirs because it lasts a bit longer. Once he's in, you take off. You want to make sure you take as many of the turns as you can because it seems to slow him down. As soon as you get to the first SWAT truck, take it. They're a lot better. And crap, I gotta revive this guy. Now I gotta get into my SWAT car. Wait until this faggot gets in. And take off as fast as you can. The SWAT truck can take a couple hits. So you'll be good with it for a while. Try not to hit too much stuff though. Just keep cruising. You can stop and then a lot of them will get out and you can just take off. You still have a long way to go. That looks very short, but it's definitely not. So, you still got a while to go. Yeah, try not to hit that thing like I did, because it messes up your control. If you can, stop and get every other SWAT car you can, because, yeah. now you're here. Alright, all over. Hope that helps.